Uskani bi fi papa no was this man I've been looking for you.
Wow.
I like your acting.
Upon homodin.
Upon homodin ti media me ne adwuma pen and am ne adwuma no one nyesa sebe oni hontina meka wo so oni made bi ye dodo a kofofu se wo ru so oni made bi ya
self confidence.
Yes, so oni made bi ya bro so a aya na yen kofo se oh you too no o che na ho o rude or that but e bi abe nipa no nte sa to o nipa so rude kura na nyame wo se de obo bia Cristiano Ronaldo to bia kofo so mu ade Messi kofo so mu ade but so mu ade nyina so oba o park so na say go na o to shama wa na di bo de ko mo pon na mo kofi a obia ni di obi dem.
Another video when him say we ye dey mo hwe ya she black na say asem atoye Kumawood and Ghana nyina and the Bishop Pedan nyako abusia Mediana am strong Polino there so unsubscribe to channel we na me patch up click it bell notification no send be attend there we post video be on the street ko Instagram so no follow polino_com me name bra be man na say naje na
yeah man
and
fentem from
name what you say fentem from GHTV
yes
so
one Ghana
so
yes one Ghana one love one people
what you say bra we dey are hosting
but say Yesu kreja him
okay ye bra efrimu ya ye dey na wo twenda fefe so na ye the date so aba say edani dura ye be kra na chi na dem pese oka kakra ne say date ye dey aba bontin ene corona sense me who ne say
okay in fact akwanya we suna menchia omo ehwe Polino multimedia in fact incoming Al Jazeera BBC CNN what have you yeah kabu bibia abomutwa date no I'm quite disappointed at the time make us the day I'm disappointed kakra say this same date no I appear 1 week na say
okay
am amubogui so 26 May right
yeah 26 May
sorry 26 June
26
June oh okay and now don't forget the May ya musu na edi 1 week no
okay
so okay say May ya mu edi good
me call
Ashoma
Lakeside yeah Ashoma we your
Lakeside oh okay good yeah okuma se dey call friends Pakoso Askrama Pakoso yeah on e call but date na appear ho ema emperifo na atwa wo hye bi se samonya mechenom Mr. Safonom Peace and Love nom ne other people Apostle John Pranom omu nyina ka se date ndi anka omu holding on answer because ntie say date no free Accra aba 26 27th of June what you say ema mo cry say emperifo ho at that time say America no omu ka se da bi date ndi anka omu ntwentwen so because corona na aba no restrictions ne obinim da mampani be ye free ho enti an common twentwen so ema achi nya ntiamo a yenya akwa no mtwentwen common bebre kwa confirm sampa say date no de ba initially no enye correct na afine date no beba only for us to wake up this day na met say date na fide that same date no but mintu say bi o mati bibi free abem mintu o mati bi free abem say bi enu ho no me restrictions no social gathering here ya makwan so bi etumi na ye dia me ntumi nkire because you see bananya kunye ordinary person bi keke wo sesebe ye na ye bi akeke what you say
o deserve state
what you so deserve ko wa man kofo ni ache and through his skills and acting
and no show bi cry no ye wa hwe wa domchi
good felt
na
na enkoye what I say ntino he's a hero so what I say me personally no I normally do not want to be celebrated whilst I'm gone and I'm person be celebrate obi wabra wawuo otiase no akwana nyon mo ni pa wabra otiase what you say no ye ma ye feel say we hero what you say intimi the date the share no anka for me na anka menyaaya anka mbetwen na anka mampani I'm sure say the crowd be kasa yes
definitely
it your kasa wie na anka or left ban on social gathering na anka some data but so that people would keep the date in their mind because they say okoshe data much they know na still no yeah that's all under social restrictions na dey na be
because over 1 week here you call here 1 week COVID-19 era but obia
person oba
say eduru ba bi kra na fa police for no catch us obia ngotena na
the same thing esi ono Bernard yes Bernard wo for ba ko se nua ba ko eduru na say achese oye kwa to nse nso obia nko isremu nko fa samehye because o man penisi ma yenye social gatherings ni sana manyam tim monko but the love for him was strong obia ba because the Ghana for the last respect there obia person pay in the last image what I say intino nanko for ba na ebe say 1 week mpo if it was like that there you imagine say a year dan do ade ne besi timi there me nya anka date no anka na anka mo amfa amansa na anka mo nchen na anka ne kron anka mpani ka say we be every Monday going then you bring the date however almost no nim dey almost share date no
however almost no nim dey almost share date no ye call honum no minister linko ne kwa apia I think say I didn't see the next morning no ye ne there I think ye kan mo mudi kan call fi
say ja akonkonsafo abefo akonkonsafo apart from pay
apart from say I say akwachia ebusuano because ye ben omo true alone can see true alone ka na ni ebe say di konkonsa
no
so dey count
there be football akọ park so abola betro mo dey nsa na epreda that be nsi
I see di konkonsa so kakra nti during the conversation no nebra ne kan bi say 1 week in dey say na yeti no na otwe be say dey bia ye bia but a year done dey omo be hwe say covid be dey e bi twema ansa na so I don't know why all of a sudden date pop up and I say
I don't want to believe sir Abia they are under pressure to finish the sorry yes a year na BBF farm I don't know why meaning what has prompted them say date no ba no say no craft don't want the same date no asa but that's the sad side but like I'm saying almost no nim ntia almost that date no ntino sabe ye nyina nkran montete hoho na nyina hoho montete nkran na whichever way ye be encourage am for say edane dura obia enko obia ntu bibia enwu na chi de oti bia na Bernard say na ninu say we say obia mra ye ni bi obia mra na omechiro do mfanchi nua na because eya no bi mu say na owu na mo behwe na no owu na mba na yi bebia wonye wu a obia be pay the last
so ni obi wa asem kra na the moment abeti
yes obretwa wu
no
obretwa wu
obeti pain bi kakra asa wa ferry
what you say there you obako ti ye be stress man kofo entietie nsensem e course during and after and as before and during the 1 week celebration no emeka se bia because of that it bia o ne ye krempa baby be say all Kumawood actors and actresses and all Ghanaians lovers of Bernard Nyako said dan do wan ko bia mra mama chere do emfa chere e wo say wowu sorry o twa na ni ahwedan whatever o mfa na ni kosua say ehu but na busua be hu say sa wo hu na makro bia entono boko we bia no free dom because o tietie nsema na ekwache me mpese because I don't want to lick the old wound what I say asem no tino ntina me panko for chose mo bia meye ena ni nua na say na we say to bia mra aye ni bi including nana ya abrefo
o say
nana ya abrefo
Adom presenter
yes Adom TV resign omra
I don't know say including ono
including ono because ye nyina nim issue enam so a say be resign free multimedia mu ana resign free Adom TV ana Adom FM
osinya nuntia
na me che say ono na say ono say
unim nyum to aye nim nyum tie
ati ase atebani abubetia entoko mpafie ko obu amete ase na me so bu anso te ase obie nim say even if you had planned to resign from multimedia you didn't do it
Okay.
You did it at a time when you had issues with another celebrity, Nana Brown.
And so the senior most.
What I say? And per the editor say, you catch us say, Pachow. And I was say, on to him, Pachow.
Okay.
Sana ye editor. Sana editor say, Nancomo says, Uncle Pachow.
I mean, on Panama. As a exclusive, they're okay. You have phone be in the Mecra. Men said auntie.
And then so yeah, JJC, Johnny just come because it was all over the place.
Okay.
Say, I would resign rather than I was the
I'll resign
rather than to apologize. Yeah, Titi baby.
Okay.
Me dem ni ho. Ayana Oman Penny abedi achire Alhaji Mahmood Baumia. I say you and I were not there. But your board meeting omoye Adom TV na Adom FM na multimedia no minka ho. Me one Ghana.
Okay.
Me one Ghana ni.
One Ghana press bar and I will come.
What you say na man ka betrem bi zan ka bia what say. Yes na eja one Ghana. Ana na eja ni one Ghana bi mu a. Ene anka na. Ene me an ka mete hei. Nka me am echirim. Which Emma so that. Me say me tim wa no. Because a chopper how many a chopper. It takes people who are matured
to do it.
Yes.
Just to say sorry.
Sorry is a word for maturity. And our people who are mature, it takes people who are mature to say I'm sorry.
Sometimes in Gofo yeah, I want to be in far into for sometimes in Gofo feel like say me too big to say sorry. And the word proud.
Yeah.
Say yeah, bra metia ona so bra metia fa cheme. I didn't think Gofo feel too big to say that word.
Well, on say sabubisa emema dodo na ho. Bema bi otu bi ka che oba say I'm sorry no. Sa bema no. E ya no kofo so humanizer. Sana ya na that is the perception. But it's not true because oba bia wo ya de e kire na pa ne chewa. Wo ya ho akrobo say me na ayi me ma me ayi ma santo so wo ya ho modwe. So we said that the NCT. Ti chewa pa de ankanya de wo say yedene but obi fi say na okay some note here manyi chen
yeah
manyi chen bebrebe what I say
no cray
na sa me fom wa me twa matia na bi kura makoka sem bi oh baby what
am I from
bra asem say aka oh what dia oh fa kwa asem so
yeah
oh Polly I'm sorry asem na me ka I didn't mean
say another
there would say no na said what unya ka sorry pe when say if you want to be kasa okoda gomba mu a obaka cho pamsuru no mini me pauchew
okay
say dem kan for so me mpa bo fai alo fa ne ni na e chope ya it will be onim chope bia no so your bema ana your ban so tumi di ne kuru bone che because onya ya oh honey I'm sorry onya ka why say dey kura so pam no kura na udi you ni feel say waka sorry ndi anka wo say oye de be wo de che no sorry dear I am not saying say na ya abrefo you rude okay. I am not saying say na ya abrefo
honestly feel say oh yeah there was also Nejuma also you know
Ejuma na a baby code of ethics. Sometimes you need to apply common sense.
Okay.
Though a Ejuma. Okay, me no na ti hey. Ye di nkomo.
Okay.
Second da. Yes me mind me. Me ye bi say dem di wo. E na me ye na assign obo.
Okay.
Assign obo is a part of the discussion?
No.
No. Ejuma na wo ye. Question na bi say sebi producer. Akwada sabi oba journalism kura will see say this one is below the belt. What I say and then to ask somebody on a like TV station so say we must number. It was quite below the belt. What I say because with all your experience in journalism, one would not expect you to do that. And sometimes we are carried away by some emotional thing bibi to me ema okase bi unwie no ye nyina to bia ye koye interviews wi ka had na osanka bisa no had na osanka me yesi but onya what I say menya issue bisa some time ago with one sophobia and koye interview for lady bi me person me ko what I say nipa no friend though I wasn't the one or can but because it was my platform the platforms so na a spiritual thing so nipa no frɛ me so we dey yeah sorry say ade no ba because you say asem si wo dan chi a odi mpam sa asem si wo dan chi e dey ka say akwana ka ball no polindo dan na chi odi bebam no enti with her experience in journalism nanka sorry kakade ko sorry it doesn't make you short, it doesn't make you tall, it doesn't make you fair if you are dark. What I say enti me mom dey na abro focus say enye issue with no resign akola kura beka se hu mana mama we do oboa because adana over resign when you plan now train ama issue by answer and as person chair say no wo train me BBS no dey gina so ana no nti nana ya mini aba ye ndie duru a ode wa ye hia wa yi na se na indi di nkomo mini say ode obaba because issue na ba na nye nipa no a nye be na da busuafo ano moto no ena ma omo ema we buy nimum nipa ofri baby na na bra de call buy na e bia call na e be wura mu na based on their altitude was studio hunting no or person be sakwase bi to please omo Bernard Debusianfo no me that's how I see the whole thing. I person be blaming be for asking that question because medical ka say me pese ye be fifi ikruda dem so what I say yeah let's let the
ni na ntwatia no yes say ayida no 26 June no adofo nyina betimi ehia e Lakeside Asaributwe okay but no maka because we say you know now they were also planning some day in be Konukrum a year no so they already poster no so their location Lakeside
Asaributwe oh okay it you know say the Kanamenia Polino Multimedia so they one of the biggest platforms in Ghana and beyond. What else? Now there NTB ebe CNN Al Jazeera BBC abo amene atu yem there. 20 no. We want to use this opportunity to invite everybody.
Yeah.
Just come and show your love. And TTB man shall come out tempo because matisi matiada basa na oni enuano ni ye tino. Nyame nka obi a hona eda no dura 26 27 I think say Saturday and Sunday do one more the we bia no
fa odomebo
enya fa odomebo dom na yemwa sebeya yebra no in fact is one guy ampana sempa me am the next leader
okay
oh yeah enenipa
okay
enenipa me dey try you wura fie bim you wura uskani bi fie you wura papa no this man I've been looking for you.
Wow,
I like your acting
upon
homode nti media me ne adwuma pen ena me ne adwuma no wan nyesa sebe oni hontina meka wonso oni made bi ye dodo a kofofu se we rude so oni made bi ya
self confidence
yes so oni made bi ya broso a aya na yen kofo se oh oye true no o che na ho oye rude oye that but e bi abe nipa no nte sa to oye nipa so rude kura na nyame wo se de obo bia Cristiano Ronaldo to bi ankofo so mu ade Messi kofo so mu ade but so mu ade nyina so oba o park so na se go na o to shema wa na di bo de ko mo pon na mo kofi a obi a ni di obi dem na obi asu ni di obi buto adwuma na mo ye de be mo ye nti ye fa bibia nto nchen na sei na ye ntwa so na eye ni duru ho a ye nko e manya fe
that's it eye ni duru ho a ye nyina ye mfa odo emebo odom Lakeside Asaributwe police station or the only do police station or crowd there what do I think it's almost community 5 only drew her now what drew 26 27 June next month in na for odo emabo
Kotalo dom
na yem cry ye bra panyi echi kra aha e polino multimedia and one
empire na mebo say commenters na ebe ba no among ka say akoyo to ya wa hecha ne dark you the criminal pa but I am the comment but in fact I love them
sure
they keep the game alive adwuma ne yakono because they might say
beef pa
o say am so beef na beef there sabe bibi ankoka papa enye grade to say the ebe careful the rams ne sister fiadi ba ya tumi kan no ntum so ho tumi kan ntum so any ade a do there yes sasa comment mo manamra o de mo manamra
the office or
the office Tribia Trobla because no na ma draw near there obi call mo a onu say dey wo na you but he just want to say something to test your pulse but so share
emotional
send o sit here we say be how and money ade anti no that's it
I had a guy channel nti mo nyina
what I say the ombo what I say the men in spectacle ni ade ade e cheche ni mama anti 26 27 I shall be to Lakeside. Yeah.